Hello everyone and welcome once again welcome back to this channel. I'm so happy to see you again. Now in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to change the clock to 12 hours format in your Windows. It's very easy and fast. But before I continue, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, please. It really helps, and if you have already, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the video. Now, to change the clock to 12 hours format in Windows, you can follow the simple steps. One, you have to open the control panel by clicking on the search bar here. Type control panel and then you click on open, and next thing you're going to click on is clock and region, and then you click on region. So once you've done that, you can see the format is displayed, and then you go here on that short time. Make sure it is like this: little h, mm and tt, or you can use the little h, mm and tt, and this two is okay. Then for the long time also do the same thing. Make sure it is little h, mm, sst, or 1h, mm, ss, mostly they're little, as in lowercase. So once you've done this, you can now click on OK, and it will be 12 hours clock. Now if you want to do 24 hours, click on it. So instead of little h, you use the capital H. And now it will be displaying 24 hours clock. It's as simple as that. So that's it. Like I said, easy breezy. So see you in the next video.